Hi, good morning everyone. So I'm Dr. Priyanka Saukar Navle and this video is specially for a lifestyle video. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the headphones. The currently I bought Sony's Sony's NW-WS623 headphone. Okay, so I have already unpacked it. So today I'm going to talk about why I bought this headphone. Basically, I have searched a lot. I swim, I go for running, plus I do exercise, and side by side most of the time happens I get many phone calls, so I needed something which has MP3 as well as Bluetooth connectivity and which is waterproof. And to be very frank, I studied a lot, so there are certain brands like JBL, Jabra and everything, but this was the one model I found perfect. Okay, so there are few features which I like most is the ambient sound mode, where you can actually switch it on, and while running on the roads it's very easy to hear the sound of horns and everything. Second thing, most important thing, it has a headphone mode too, so you can pick up your calls very easily while running or while doing your exercise. And again, one more thing, it got Walkman feature too, so sometimes we feel we don't want to carry our cell phone while running and all, so you can just switch on to your MP3 mode and just enjoy the run. So I like this headphone a lot, and plus it has long battery life. I think they have written it's 12 years. Thing is about battery life, they have written it got 12 hours battery life, but I think it is quite less. It is not 12 hours, because most of the time I put my headphones on Bluetooth mode. I don't know why, but I feel it is not 12 hours. Okay, that is the only concern. Another thing they have provided with this pack, no, see, first they have given the earbuds which is for normal use, regular use, so they have provided 3 more pairs for the like for normal use, and there are 4 pairs for swimming use, so it is perfect. They have even given the neck strap, which is very easy to attach over here. You just have to put it like this and attach it like this, so it will get attached perfectly for this part, so it's very easy to use. I have used it, but I don't feel it is very comfortable for the girls who have long hair, and they this is like rubber like thing, so most of the time my hair gets stuck over there, so I don't use it. Okay, so apart from this, about this headphone, waterproof, it's waterproof, so that is one plus point for me. If you'll ask how many stars out of 5, definitely 4 star. 1 star will be reduced only because of the battery life. Otherwise it's a good phone to use and very easy to charge. Even one feature which I like most, it's very easy on off buttons. They have given proper elevation on each parts, so it is very easy to press and pick up the call, and button orientation, everything is so perfect. So now what about the costing? I think it is some 8,300. Okay, yeah, 8,280 is the price. I have bought it from original Sony site, Sony India. Okay, because in other side it was not available, so I think it's a good pick. So give it a try and let me know if you liked it.